7 days on and California continues to battle the worst ever wildfire on the globe. So far, 24 lives have been lost, close to 13,000 structures, including homes of Hollywood celebrities, turned into ashes. Los Angeles, a city of celebrities, is now a city of ruins. The fire continues to rage on and is expected to get worsened tomorrow, with wind speed reaching 50 miles per hour. And here is the special report.
The wildfires continue to rage on. 24 lives lost, area covering 40,000 acres burned to ashes, and 12,300 structures destroyed. The massive fires have severely impacted neighborhoods like Malibu and Los Angeles. The city of Angeles is now lying in a state of ruin. Los Angeles, one of the world's most glammed cities, home to top Hollywood stars and artists, turned into ashes in just 1 week. As of yesterday evening, about 18,500 people in the city of Los Angeles were still without power. Driven by the strong Santa Ana winds, the wildfires ravaged the region. Pacific Palisades, home to multi-million-dollar residences, saw intense destruction as flames engulfed homes and landmarks like Temescal Canyon and parts of the Palisades Charter High School. The infernos were accompanied by dramatic plumes of smoke visible for miles, turning the skies ominously dark. As residents tried to flee, abundant cars blocked routes. A bulldozer was deployed to clear paths for emergency vehicles. Firefighters struggled against the high winds, which reached 100 mph in some areas, and dry conditions intensified the spread. Aerial firefighting was impossible due to the fierce winds, leaving ground crews overwhelmed. The blaze scorched iconic areas and crossed famous roads like Sunset Boulevard, leaving parts of Malibu in ashes. Residents described embers flying through the air and transformers exploding as winds fanned the flames. With no rain in sight and red flag warnings persisting, firefighters remain in a race against time to save lives and properties, with little relief expected from the unrelenting weather conditions. According to the National Fire Protection Association, lightning is the most common source of fires in the United States. However, since there were no reports of lightning in the Palisades area or the terrain around the Eaton fire, which started in East Los Angeles County, it was ruled out as a possibility. The remaining two possibilities were arson and fire started by utility lines. However, no consensus has been reached till now to ascertain the exact cause of fire. Why has the world's most advanced nation not been able to control the fire? President-elect Donald Trump has pointed a finger squarely at California Governor Gavin Newsom, who he said is responsible for LA's struggling water supply. Meanwhile, others have blamed LA Mayor Karen Bass for cutting the city's fire department budget. Lack of water for firefighters has been cited as one of the reasons the fires have burned so long. One large reservoir in Pacific Palisades, the Santa Ynez Reservoir, was closed for maintenance and empty when the fire broke out. LA Mayor Karen Bass faces criticism over cuts to the city's fire department budget. For the latest financial year, the LA Fire Department budget was reduced by $17.6 million. Besides, LA Fire Chief Christine Crowley said the department was already understaffed and the elimination of civilian positions like mechanics had meant that 100 fire apparatuses were out of service. The situation is expected to further worsen. Forecasters say tomorrow will be the worst day for the fire conditions, as winds up to 50 miles per hour and gust of 70 miles per hour is expected to sweep through as part of the Santa Ana winds. Meanwhile, sad as it is, a host of celebrities and Hollywood stars have lost their homes. Paris Hilton, Anna Faris, Ricky Lake, Hedy Montag, Leighton Meester and Adam Brody are among the celebs who lost their LA homes. Sir Anthony Hopkins, Mario Lopez, Molly Sims, Kate Curry, Tom Hanks, Miley Cyrus, Jamie Lee Curtis, Ben Affleck, Adam Sandler, Mandy Moore, Steven Spielberg, Mark Hamill and Babe Rexha are those who have been evacuated. A Los Angeles man can be seen weeping with joy after being reunited with his dog, Fiat, lost in the devastating wildfires. Even after losing his house to the fire, Casey Colvin broke down in tears when a dog tracker helped him locate his dog, Oreo. He was found sleeping among the debris of a neighbor's home in the Pacific Palisades neighborhood, site of the largest blaze. With a squeaky toy in hand and his other dog under his arm, Colvin approached the gate. Oreo sat atop the driveway, grimy but unharmed. Coaxing the dog closer, Colvin impressed him. Meanwhile, donations poured in for the rescued animals, veterinarians and workers at the Pasadena Humane since the wildfires began last Tuesday. Animal facilities, veterinarians and rescue organizations have taken in and assisted dogs, horses, donkeys, goats, sheep and other creatures that were displaced by the ongoing fires along with their human owners. Over 400 animals have been taken in by Pasadena Humane. The Humane Society began accepting animals as a temporary shelter as families evacuated their homes. International News Desk, Northeast Live.